Morning, everyone. It's Mark Leibovit, and this is a Leibovit volume reversal tutorial on Metastock for Monday morning, May 2nd. You're looking at the home page for Metastock, where we offer the volume reversal toolkit. There is a 1 month free trial, $95 a month going forward, and we have three versions of the volume reversal incorporated in the toolkit: the sequential, directional, and 2-day. I use a sequential on these videos, which provides us with all positive and negative volume reversals. The directional filters out repetitive VRs and also provides a stop. And the 2-day version is based on the premise that following a negative or positive VR, you tend to get follow through in that direction for 1 or 2 bars or trading days. Many subscribers use it on a 1 minute, 5 minute, weekly, monthly chart, but basically 2 bars. But I tend to use it on a daily basis if you've been following these videos over the last few years. We're looking at Freeport, FCX. This is a daily chart. Leibovit positive volume reversal last Wednesday. Nice rising stochastics. We had some nice follow through. Very heavy volume increasing as it's going up. Almost a picture perfect situation. You do have pullback risk to the breakout point, which is around 1270, and good correlation in my work with the positive VRs and negative VRs. So it's a good stock for trading purposes in both directions. But what's real interesting here is on the weekly chart, you can see a reverse head and shoulders pattern. Head down here, shoulder, shoulder, and if you take the amplitude of that decline and add it on to the tops, you get a move approaching the 2025 range. So big positive here on a near-term basis, something you really got to watch. Carl Icahn was buying stock back here last fall in I think as high as the 14 area, though we're not 100% sure at what level, but it was reported he was buying back here. It did drop to 4, back up again. So a lot of volatility in the stock, but the important thing to keep in mind, the stock's down from $60 a share back in 2011, so it's really cheap, and there has been, as you know, a move in the commodity cycle, particularly the metals. So I think that's an ongoing process here over the next couple of years. It's just not a short-term flash in the pan type of situation, so I think you got to be looking to buy dips accordingly. Also want to remind you about vrtrader.com. We do make specific recommendations on our platinum service. Our silver just covers specific daily commentary on the markets, but not on individual stocks. VR Gold Letter covers all natural resource plays. And we also have, of course, our annual forecast model, our VR Forecaster report put out annually. It's a cyclical forecast for the major markets. Our Vice Letter is attracting a lot of attention because of the growing interest in cannabis, but we also follow other sin stocks and vice stocks, which could be anything from tobacco, gaming, alcohol, all the way to drug companies. So anything that's considered a bit of vice is in there. A lot of interesting names. Actually, we have a list of a couple hundred in there. Our book, The Trader's Book of Volume, is a definitive guide to volume trading. We do cover the volume reversal, but it's basically a focus on volume indicators, and it's also published in Chinese, which is really interesting. And finally, for those of you who don't know about it, I do host a radio show on the Genesis Communication Network, gcnlive.com, Friday mornings, 10 a.m. Eastern. We have some very interesting guests on the show, and we've been running the show for almost a year now, looking to get it expanded, more syndication, so hopefully it'll be a growing project. I'm very excited about it. It's a lot of fun, and hopefully you have a chance to tune in. It's available on iTunes as well. It's archived at gcnlive.com and iTunes if you do miss some previous broadcasts. So something that you want to check out. Anyway, Metastock is a place to go for my volume reversal toolkit. Sign in when you can. Sign up, get a trial, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for checking in.